I better watch. Is it Northstar? I better watch out. About time. It's about time. Oh yeah, I think it is Northstar, maybe. Oh, if it's BNSF. Woohoo! No, thank you. I'm backing the hell away. Alright, sorry guys, I'm trying to just position you perfectly. Oh, BNSF. Nope, Northstar. Knew it. Bullseye. Oh, this is the first train. No, this is the second train. Yeah, this is the second one. Okay, why is my camera being like that? Got my scanner with me, so I'm good. I can tell when I come. Or they know when I'm here. Whoa! Double unit! Why did the detector not go off? That was so weird. Well, let me get a picture of this double unit action. Yes, sir. There's my buddy. He's roaring up. I didn't even hear them go over the detector. What the hell, man? Oh, pretty soon I think we should have Northstar, the second one, Bob and Todd coming. Or Bob. That was Todd. That was Big T. We should have Bob and them coming soon. I hope they hurry. I hope Bob's hurry up because he's got the green signal. Green signal on track 2. Signal on track 2. Everybody's leaving. I should have man, I wish the locomotives would warm me up. But obviously, well, it depends. Yeah, who knows? But I hear nothing on the scanner, so what the heck? I know I'm on the wrong channel. Gee, why? Why does he keep doing that to me? He keeps putting me on the wrong damn channel. He's putting me on channel 2. He should be on channel 70. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that right now. Alright, off it goes.